In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix email not allowed in Telegram app. If you are seeing the message email not allowed when trying to use your email with Telegram, don't worry. This usually happens when the email service you are using is restricted by Telegram's filters. The app version is outdated, or the system has temporarily limited new attempts for security reasons. I'll walk you through a simple sequence that resolves the issue for most people. First, try switching email providers. Telegram is more likely to accept addresses from Gmail, while some other providers like Yahoo, Outlook, or temporary email services may be blocked due to past abuse or delivery problems. If you have a Gmail address, use that instead. Using a reputable, long-standing email helps ensure you receive verification messages reliably. Next, make sure you are using the official Telegram app downloaded from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Third-party or modified versions can trigger errors or fail to pass Telegram's checks. Open your App Store, search for Telegram. Confirm it's the official listing and update if an update is available. If the error persists, reinstall the app. Uninstall Telegram, then install the latest version fresh from the official store. Your regular cloud chats and contacts are tied to your account, so they'll return when you log back in. Keep in mind that secret chats and some locally stored files do not sync, so save anything important before removing the app. After reinstalling, restart the app properly. Close Telegram completely rather than just minimizing it. On most phones, that means swiping it away from the recent apps view, or force closing it, then reopening it. This refreshes your session and network connection. If you have tried multiple times already, give it 24 hours. Telegram may temporarily restrict actions to protect accounts from suspicious activity. Waiting a full day without repeated attempts often clears the flag automatically. Finally, if none of this works, contact Telegram support. Provide a concise description of the exact error text, the email provider you tried, your device model, and your app version. Include a screenshot if possible, and avoid sharing any sensitive information. Support can check whether here is an account-specific restriction or a wider service issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.